It's like everybody expects you to have a fresh new start just because it's the beginning of a new year. But you still feel stuck where last year ended. Finding that creative spark is tough. It feels like your creativity has been packed away with the Christmas decorations. If you're feeling like this, then this video might just be what you need to help you rekindle your creative spark. I'm going to share 5 easy but super effective strategies to help you start creating right away. There will be a bonus tip if you stay till the end. Okay, so let's start right away with the first of these strategies. Embrace color therapy. Ready to dive into a world of color and let your inner artist loose? Color therapy is all about turning everyday stress into awesome art. Grab your favorite art stuff, paints, crayons, pencils, whatever you love, and get ready for a super chill creative journey. Don't worry about being perfect or following any art rules. Just let your imagination go wild and have fun with it. Doodling is all about freedom. There are no mistakes, only happy little accidents that make your art unique. Let your gut guide you as you create, turning your feelings and your thoughts into a work of art. Every line, every swirl, every mark you make becomes part of your own masterpiece. Each one of these is unique to you. It's so easy to feel creatively stuck. The pressure of setting new goals and reaching new milestones can sometimes leave us feeling overwhelmed and uninspired. But there is no need to worry. These creative slumps are a completely normal part of the creative process. We can rekindle that creative spark and overcome these hurdles with these fun and easy strategies. The second fun strategy is to shift your perspective. Trying a new form of art can really boost your creativity. Sometimes we can get stuck in a rut, using the same techniques and approaching our art in the same way. If you're usually a painter, why not give sculpting or drawing a shot? Sculpting can allow you to work in 3 dimensions, understanding form and space in a hands-on way, while drawing helps you refine your understanding of line, form, and composition. Photography, digital art, and mixed media are also super cool options to explore. Photography challenges you to find beauty and interest in the everyday world, capturing fleeting moments and transforming them into art. If you don't own a camera, use your phone. Most phones these days have good cameras. Digital art opens up a world of possibilities with technology, using software and tools to create stunning visuals and explore new artistic frontiers. Mixed media encourages you to break the boundaries between different art forms, combining materials and techniques to create truly unique and expressive pieces. Stepping outside your comfort zone like this can open your mind to new techniques, materials, and ways of thinking about art. You might discover hidden talents and passions you never knew you had. Each medium has its own unique qualities to discover and enjoy. Oops, I forgot to introduce myself. Hi, I'm Larika, a mixed media artist living with chronic illness. My goal is to help artists and creatives, especially those facing health challenges, to stay connected to their passions. And now for tip number 3. Find inspiration in nature. Take a walk outside and let nature inspire you. Watch a sunset and really see the colors. Look up at the sky and look at the clouds floating by, changing shapes as they move. If it's been a raining day, there might be a rainbow in the sky. Really look at its colors, how it blends together, and let that inspire you. You might see some flowers. Look at their perfection, their colors, and if you're close enough, enjoy its fragrance. Listen to the birds singing. or the waves crashing on the beach. Feel the warmth of the sun or the coolness of a spring breeze on your skin. Touch the bark of a tree and feel its texture. Watch bees fluttering from one flower to another, looking for nectar, or marvel at the intricate design of a spider's web. Nature is amazing. Just open your senses and let it inspire you. Tip number 4. Reflect and reimagine. Recall your favorite holiday memories. What made them so special? Was it a place you visited, or was it hanging out with your favorite people? Did you try out new things, or just enjoy the little things that made those times unforgettable? Whatever those experiences were, think back to those moments and remember the sights, the sounds, and the feelings that made them so great. Let those awesome memories inspire you and help you come up with fresh new ideas. We're almost at the end. Remember to stay tuned until the end for a bonus fun strategy that will leave you feeling inspired and ready to tackle any creative challenge. Tip number 5. Write your way to clarity. Set a timer for 15 minutes and write whatever comes to mind. No judgment, no censorship. Let your thoughts flow freely onto the page, capturing any fleeting ideas, images, or emotions that might surface. Don't worry about grammar, punctuation, or even about making sense. Just write without overthinking. You might be surprised by the creative sparks and unexpected insights that emerge from this uninhibited writing exercise. If you think these tips can help you, please share in the comments which of these tips resonates best with you. And when you are ready to put these ideas into action, then share your post-holiday masterpieces on Instagram using the hashtag rekindlecreativity. And now for the bonus tip I promised you. Dance to the rhythm of inspiration. Put on your favorite music and let the rhythm move you. Grab a large piece of paper and your favorite art supplies. Paint, crayons, or colored pencils all work great, but use whatever you have at hand. As you listen to the music, let your chosen medium translate those sounds into movement onto the page. Don't overthink it. Just let the rhythm guide your hand and see what shapes and colors emerge. Let the music flow through you and onto the paper, creating a visual representation of your auditory experience. If you enjoyed this content, please like this video and subscribe for more content like this, where I will share more tips to help you on your creative journey. Thanks for watching and happy creating.